why have we started a GoFundMe page after 7 years of being here. So this is a quick video just to explain. It's -3 degrees at the moment. So, cheers. Oh, that's so nice. Okay. Welcome to Jardin d'Eve, or in French, I've become Eve. Long story. We moved here in 2019 from Dorset in the UK to the mountains of the Cantal in France with our 3 children. The other 2 are adults in England now. And we moved into a caravan for a year in our garden. Let me just show you around. Our beautiful garden. It was just a field when we started, and we put in a stone circle, and we put so much effort into the garden before the barn. We're renovating our barn, and we want it to become a retreat centre. We want to offer accommodation. So over the years we've offered our caravan for accommodation since we moved into our barn, and we're living in the bottom floor now. We've been working so hard on the barn, on the garden, on fitting into the community. It's been a difficult first few years, but then our community locally has been coming together. New people have arrived. We've made friends with a lot more locals. They've accepted us because we live in a tiny hamlet near a small village, and we didn't know much French when we came here, but we have made a huge effort, and it's beautiful. Each season here, we're in the mountains, each season is like really rich in it's really wintry in winter and really sunny and summery in summer, etc. So I try not to make this too much of a long video. So we've worked so hard, and the barn still isn't finished. Roy's getting on in years, I'm getting on in years. Our health has up and down since we've been here, and now we're asking for help. We regularly ask for the universe deliveries, and things come to us when we need it. Each year gets better, and just the vision of the barn being finished, we still have that vision. The whole of the upstairs is going to be a communal area with accommodation and space for workshops and meditations. It's going to be open during the day so people can come. It's going to be a retreat centre with so much potential, and I've had this vision for 7 years, and I know everything happens in perfect timing and for a reason, but it's time that we brought this into reality. So if you can help us in any way, all the money donated into the GoFundMe will go towards the barn, and every time we do something, we will make videos on it and show you how appreciative we are. And everything that we do, everything I do, is in service to others and the community, and I practice my meditations here, and we want to help the collective consciousness. And anybody that wants to come and find, what's the word I'm looking for? I've lost the word now. A retreat, a sanctuary, thank you. A sanctuary. We want this to be a sanctuary. Now the garden is beautiful, but we can't all sleep in the garden in the winter. So please help us any way you can, and this is going to be the most beautiful place, a hub, a safe space. We're in the mountains of the Cantal in France. We're by the volcanoes. It's the most beautiful place, and we would love to share it with people. If you can help, that's great. If not, just send us some good vibes, and keep bringing those universe deliveries. All right, lots of love from Jardin d'Eve. We'll see you soon. Bye.